Okay, welcome to this tutorial on spreadsheet basics. These are known as cells. When you click in them, they identify where that cell is on the coordinates. So you can see I'm here and it's in A4. It actually highlights them for you so you can see exactly where it is. If you want to be able to highlight or colour the background, if you click between the A and the 1, it highlights everything. So if you would like to change font style, sizes, text, it will change it for all of the spreadsheet. If you want to create a basic chart, you need to highlight the elements that you want to. So it would be these 2 rows here would be part of what you need to. And then you simply click on Insert, and then there's a recommended charts on here. So as you can see, all the recommended chart types will come up on this one here. Just going to click on the chart, our chart at the moment. There is a plus button here, which allows me to add an axes title. You can put data labels on there and you can play about with the different options on the charts. It is really good practice to name the axes. And obviously you need a chart title as well. In order to be creative, there is a section up here that allows you to change the style and the type of the chart. You can also change colours, the layout, you can switch the columns around. It is entirely up to you what you do. So I've populated an extra column. It's exactly the same virtually, but this is just to show you that if you wanted to create a chart and you had columns that were spread out, then what you need to do is highlight the first one and press Control on the keyboard and then highlight the second section. And then you do the same thing as before, Insert, and then you can see now that it comes up with the comparison of data. So that's how you make a slightly more complex chart. Again, same thing applies. Chart titles, axes must be on there for good practice. In terms of formatting technique, if you want to change the font style, you obviously can do. You can play about with the font styles to see what looks more professional as well. You can also colour in the borders, make it look more professional, and you can change the layout of the text as well. So you can change the line thickness, the colour. So if you've got corporate colours throughout, you can change, like mine obviously is very thin, so you can change the layout of those elements of it as well. With spreadsheets, if you don't have access to the tabs at the top, very often you can right click and it allows you to be able to format cells. You can filter data as well on here, but we will go through filtering data in a different tutorial.